is Sania Patel and you are welcome to HW News English. Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim along with Andhra Pradesh and Odisha held Assembly and Lok Sabha elections simultaneously. Both Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim re-elected their current governments. Vote counting took place on Sunday, 2 days before the rest of the country's Lok Sabha elections. In Arunachal Pradesh, where voting happened on April 19 for both Assembly and Lok Sabha, the Bharatiya Janata Party won 46 seats out of 60 in the Assembly, increasing its tally by 5 seats from 2019 according to the Election Commission's website. Additionally, 10 BJP candidates including Chief Minister Pema Khandu and Deputy Chief Minister Chauna May won without any competition back in March. Among the opposition parties, the National People's Party, that is NPP, Nationalist Congress Party NCP, People's Party of Arunachal PPA and the Congress secured 5, 3, 2 and 1 seats respectively. Additionally, 3 independent candidates emerged victorious. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, vying for a third consecutive term, took to the Twitter to congratulate the BJP. He wrote, "Thank you Arunachal Pradesh, the people of this wonderful state have given an unequivocal mandate to politics of development. My gratitude to them for reposing their faith in BJP Arunachal Pradesh yet again. Our party will keep working with even greater vigor for the state's growth." In Sikkim, the Sikkim Krantikari Morcha, that is SKM, which narrowly won in 2019 with 17 seats out of the 32-member assembly, achieved a significant victory this time. According to the Election Commission, 31 of its candidates emerged victorious in their respective constituencies. On the other hand, the opposition Sikkim Democratic Front, that is SDF, suffered a major setback, with its tally dropping to just 1 seat, a loss of 14 seats. Sikkim also conducted simultaneous polls on April 19, coinciding with the first round of voting for the 7th-phase Lok Sabha elections, which concluded on Saturday. Well, that's all for this Murtiranga today. Thank you for watching HW News English. Download our app Shorts to get the latest news and updates.
A grueling 6-week-long general election in India is coming to an end. 543 constituencies across the length and breadth of India.
लोकसभा चुनाव 2024 आ चुका है अपने अंतिम पड़ाव पर। कौन होगा विजय? किसकी बनेगी सरकार?
Will the BJP do 400 par, a claim made by the Prime Minister, or will the opposition India Alliance stage a comeback?
अब की बार
Join us as we bring to you expert analysis and incisive and in-depth perspectives on who has the edge.
पाए सटीक विश्लेषण, बिना किसी शोर, बिना किसी सनसनी, हमारे इस विशेष लाइव।
So join us for the exit poll on the 1st and for the final results on the 4th. See you then.
Exit polls coverage on 1st June 6:30 PM onwards. Result day on 4th June 7 AM onwards.
सिर्फ HW न्यूज इंग्लिश और HW न्यूज नेटवर्क पर।
Stay ahead with our cutting-edge news app. Instantly access the latest shorts in just 1 minute and breaking news in just 50 words. Download now for a smarter, faster news experience.